Aston Martin 2005 DB9, black with grey Portland hide interior. Nice alloys, recently refurbished calipers and discs. Interior's in super condition, really well kept car, well above average. This car's now nearly 17 years old, in fantastic condition for a car of that age. Paintwork's really nice, no scratches, no dings, reversing sensors on the back. Really straight car. So now for the punchline. The reason it's priced as it is, the oil light is coming on tick over, and the engine has a rattle. Possibly the oil pump is on its way out, so the engine's going to need reconditioning. The thing to think about is that this car, with running perfectly with a good engine, would retail between £25,000 and £30,000 for a car in this condition with this mileage on. A very good example. So you buy this car as or near we've got it advertised. We can get the engines reconditioned, exchange engines for $699. There's a couple of companies on eBay. You get one of those dropped in, and what you've ended up with is an early DB9 with a reconditioned engine for less than £25,000. Now that, in my money, is a good idea. But obviously you've got to go through a bit of pain to get there. It's not recorded, it's not salvaged, the title's clean, HPI, it's never been bumped or banged. What a clean little car, and a good way to save some money. I'll do a picture of it running and driving now. 2005 Aston Martin DB9, suspension and chassis video. Everything looks good on the driver's side suspension. All the bonded chassis is in good order. There's not a lot to see from the underside of the engine. It's all got covers on, but that's the passenger side suspension and chassis that's visible. All good. It's the under the driver's seat area, main part of the chassis, all perfect. Catalytic converters, passenger side made chassis rail. It's all aluminium, so there shouldn't be any corrosion. Behind the driver's seat chassis, all good. There's the exhausts, gearbox sump, passenger side rear seat, under the rear seat main chassis, moving into the suspension on the rear, all in good fettle. Doesn't look to have seen much rain in its life. The stickers are still on the drive shafts. 50,000 miles on it, so it's not been very far. The stickers still on the shock absorbers. Drive shafts look like brand new. Exhaust system, all good. The alloy wheels in good condition, a little bit of curbing on that one there. Let's have a look at this front one. Yeah, good condition, brakes look good. It's not been used recently, so there's some surface rust on the brakes. Calipers are all nicely painted still. Passenger side front wheel, calipers and discs all good. Yeah. Nice underneath. I'll do a walk round and a driving video as well. Okay, give it a start up, Andy. Give it a little rev, Andy. Just give it a rev. Oil light goes out when it's being revved to straight tick over. And off, please. And the oil light comes on when it's on tick over, so it's a bit poorly. Okay, give it a start up, Andy. Give it a little rev, Andy. Just give it a rev. Oil light goes out when it's being revved to straight tick over. And off, please. And the oil light comes on when it's on tick over, so it's a bit poorly.